Winter Wonderland. Look at that. All right. Good morning, everybody. It is super cold outside. It's about 5 degrees. You can see lots of snow has fallen. This is going to be a short video. Today we are in Furano. I say it with a Spanish accent even though it's Japanese. And we are in Hokkaido, the Furano part of Hokkaido. And we are going to do something really cool. We're going dog sledding. There's everybody waiting for the dog sleds. All right, and as always, thanks for the almost 3,000 of you subscribing. Let's go dog sledding. Man, I hope it's a blast. All right, so we're here at the dog sledding place in Furano. Yuma, it's called. You can see some of the dogs over there. So cool. Here we have our little buddy trying to make snowballs.
I'm cleaning up the snow.
You're cleaning off the snow out of the car? You're a good egg. Whoa, look at that.
Whoa. What?
What do you mean, what? Look at that mountain. So as I said, I don't know what to expect, but it looks pretty cool so far. They also have stables here, so there's horses. Look at these guys. Oh, he's asleep. So we got all checked in and everything was squared away. She didn't speak much English, but she had this really cool machine that translated everything into English, so we were good to go, although the translations were a little weird.
Chime loves gloves and fluffy things, so be careful not to take them. This kid is still 7 months old with a baby in St. Bernard.
7-month-old St. Bernard, look at that.
This kid is a Siberian Husky boy, 5 years old. Jolly.
So after that cool little machine that she uses to translate, she decided to bring out a kind of like a practice sled. So what we did is we ended up practicing. So she taught us how to use the brake, and she spoke some more instructions into the machine that we had to decipher what she was trying to say. But we got the gist of it pretty quick. You can see my son there really studying the machine, looking at the engineering of it all. Pretty simple thing. You just had to keep your feet a little bit sideways and heels pointed out. And there was also a foot brake there that you would use in order to stop the sled. So after that short little instruction, she decided to give us like a practice where she pulled the sled and we had to just stomp on the brake and make sure that we were able to stop. My son did his. Here's my attempt at it, although it was really different once we got behind the actual dogs. But all in all, pretty fun.
At the very beginning, the dog is fine, so I will ask my father to ride it.
待たれているお二人はあちらで写真を撮ってください。
Also, the two of you will be asked to take a picture over there.
Right. Woo! Woo! Where are they going? Oh, these guys are looking in the snow. Woo! Oh my god, so much fun. Oh, break. Ah, one more. Hi. Okay. What are you doing? Whoa. Everybody's peeing. Come on, boys. Hey, hey, hey. They're not even galloping. They are going so slow, but it feels like I'm going so fast.
Now he's pretty good.
How was it?
It was so much fun. I felt like they're trotting, but it feels like you're going really fast. And then they pee on each other. So these are the dogs' names that we're carrying us around today. Ricky and Jin. What do you think?
I liked it.
Good. So that was dog sledding in Furano. I'll put all the information in the description below if you want to come here, if you find yourself in Hokkaido and Furano. Absolutely check this place out. It was a lot of fun. Like I said, short but fun video. We're doing a lot of things. I'm trying to document as much as I can. Again, remember, if you know anybody in the military, active duty, or spouse, don't forget to give them a hug or a handshake, because it ain't easy. And I will see you when?
Next video.
Next video. Chip off the old block. See ya.